I love my free sample by RawChemistry. So this is a pheromone perfume and it's both the spray and the oil. So I like the presentation. I also like it to give it as a gift if you have a single friend that likes perfumes. I like this. This is how it looks. This is the oil. And what I like about the oil is that not only smells amazing, but it also moisturizes your skin, as you can see here. You can put it all over your body. It smells really good. It smells like a soft vanilla, I would say. So the perfume, it has exactly the same scent as the oil. And I like it because I just like how it smells. It's so delicate, it's not overwhelming. So it smells really good. This is how it looks. It probably won't bring all the boys to the backyard like the milkshake. But it definitely, it's worth for you to try. I like it. I like that it's not overpowering. I like the fact that it's so feminine. It smells very girly, like just delicate, I would say. I hope you check it out. Thank you for watching.